Seasons play in the big red barn, that white pine casting shadows in the yard, lend an ear and spin you a yarn about Crawford Farm. The tunnels in the haze where we hid, and forts that we built down by the bubbling creek. Take a ride in the loader's arms on Crawford Farm. Catching keepers at the pond on every cast. Son, if you can get it past that mean old largemouth bass. Legends say he swims on Crawford Farm. Picking stones in the summer sun, learn to drive the tractor, you can never be too young. We would ride, how I long for Crawford Farm. Sneak downstairs in the dark, have the midnight snack, sitting with the patriarch, back to bed for the dawn on Crawford Farm. Now there's an unfamiliar truck up on our hill, sitting by the house, the one our granddad built. And our old pine, it's long gone on Crawford Farm. I've still got the memories, I've still got the gun case and the cookie recipe. It only works that kitchen on Crawford Farm. Well, I know that we'll meet up again someday in our father's endless acres, oh, that is where we'll stay. But for now, oh, my heart's on Crawford Farm.